Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope everyone is doing great. In the previous lecture, we have seen what is a variable and we have also seen it with the help of an example. Also, we have seen types of memory and how is variable stored internally. If you haven't checked out the video, kindly do check out. I'll be giving the link in the description. So without wasting time, let's get started. Also, follow this playlist so that you don't miss out the ordering of the videos because every previous concept is very much important in the future. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now, what is garbage collection? Objects that don't have reference variables will be removed from the memory automatically by the garbage collector to free up the memory. Now, let us understand this with the help of an example. Assuming we'll take the same example that there is a car. Now, the car uses a petrol engine. Now, the car runs with the help of petrol because it uses a petrol engine. Now, as there is a EV revolution and the fuel costs are skyrocketing, so now the owner of the car decides to change it from petrol to electric engine. Now the car is completely electric. What happens to this petrol engine? Now it is of no use anymore. So we send it to scrap. This is how garbage collection actually works. In dynamic languages such as Python, garbage collection is automatic. Let's consider an example. Num is equal to 12. That means num points to 12. We reassign num as a string, be it car. The num stops referencing the integer 12 and now num points to the string called car. In dynamic languages, this 12 is automatically freed up from the memory and now num stores car. This automatic free up of memory is called garbage collection. It happens in languages such as Python. I hope you people understood how garbage collection works. And also, do subscribe the channel and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any of the videos. After subscribing, also like the video so that you help the YouTube algorithm to function.